Walmart is changing its health aisles in 1,200 stores. Walmart is introducing Winx Health, a women's health startup, into roughly 1,200 U.S. stores and Walmart.com. The partnership brings Walmart-exclusive at-home health combo kits to shelves, none of which require a prescription. The kits cover UTI plus vaginal health pH testing, which has historically required either a doctor's visit, prescription, or hundreds of dollars through direct-to-consumer services. The women's health aisle has been an afterthought for decades, underfunded, under-innovated, and completely out of touch with what women actually need, said Cynthia Plotch, co-founder of Winx Health. The deal marks a major scaling effort for the brand, which has tripled its retail revenue over the past 3 months. Beyond the kits, the rollout also introduces redesigned packaging across the Winx Health line, with clearer labeling aimed at reducing stigma, confusion, and logistical hurdles women face when seeking care. By leveraging Walmart's footprint, where 90% of Americans live within 10 miles of a store, the brand aims to make testing as accessible as a routine grocery trip. Jamie Norwood, the company's other co-founder, told Modern Retail that the goal of the Walmart partnership is reach, noting that many women who could benefit from the tests may not spend $200 on one or take time off work to visit a doctor. The Winx rollout comes during a broader year of changes for Walmart, which also plans to remodel more than 650 supercenters and neighborhood markets across the country in 2026.